meet Suprême C. This is our brand new 100% vitamin C serum. So Suprême C works to fade the look of hyperpigmentation and dark spots, which I have plenty, so I'm a really good guinea pig. And it also fades and smooths these little fine lines. So this is a pure derivative of vitamin C. This is actually one ingredient. I'm going to show you how to use it. I like to use about 2 pumps. This texture is one of a kind. I've never felt anything like this. It's so nourishing. This product hits your skin. The natural enzymes in your skin transform the vitamin C derivative to 100% ascorbate acid vitamin C. That's how we are able to keep it so unbelievably stable, so safe, so gentle, yet incredibly, incredibly potent. I kid you not, in about 2 weeks, I saw serious results. I personally believe in investment pieces. I don't want a lot of stuff. I just want things that work. So I'd like every product to have ingredients at efficacy level so you can see a difference in your skin and you can come back and trust us. You will not be disappointed. I think you'll love it.